Hi guys, this is Dave, and today I will be talking about the Neewer photography box. This is a professional photography box for taking product photographies, and for example, if you're selling products on eBay or marketplaces, this is what you are looking for. Basically, you will stand out from many other sellers because of your products will look much more professional. If you, for example, using a black background and something colorful, some nice product, it will really stand out, and it will look much professional. I've been using it for a couple of days, and I even put a fish tank in it. You won't believe how good the pictures came out. So I will be continuously showing you pictures I've been shooting with this photography box. This is the 50 centimeter one, so there is a little bit larger, is the 60 centimeter, but I think what I need it for is the best size. So I will be talking about few specs, as well as I'm gonna show you a short unboxing video, but I think the photos I've been taking is just self-explaining. The product is just high quality and it's professional. What I really wanted to mention now is the portability of this. If you see how thin and how small is this, the whole package, it's just so small, and so you can take it anywhere with you, as well as you can store it somewhere where it's not really visible all the time but easily accessible. So I really hope my review will help you to decide whether you want this or you're looking for something else, but I promise that if you get this, the quality will not let you down, because I'm really happy with it. I've been using it with the smaller camera, but if you have, for example, just a smartphone, that would be perfect as well, because the light it has is so strong that the product quality, the photo quality will be much higher than, let's say, a normal ambient light in your bedroom. So yeah, I'll show you some examples of the photos I've been taking, and I'll show you quickly a quick setup and unboxing. So once again, I really hope you enjoy it, because I'm really enjoying this product, and I hope my review was helpful. So yeah, thanks very much.